Good morning. How are you, my kids? Okay. I hope you all enjoyed Onam holidays. Okay. Do you remember that our earlier classes? Okay. CVC words with sounds. CVC words with sounds. Okay. The last class we studied at the CVC words with O sound. CVC words with O sound. Okay. The first vowel letter A produce the sound A. The first vowel letter A produce the sound A. The second vowel letter E produce the sound E. The second vowel letter E produce the sound E. Then the third vowel letter I produce the sound E. The third vowel letter I produce the sound E. Okay. Then fourth vowel letter O produce the sound O. The fourth vowel letter O produce the sound O. Okay. Do you understand? Then yesterday we are studying ending with OG and OP words. Ending with OG and OP words. Okay. Do you remember that? Then today we are going to learn ending with OT and OX words. Ending with OT and OX words. Okay. The sound of the letter O is O. The sound of the letter O is O. Okay. The first one is ending with OT words. First one is ending with OT words. The words are here. First one is cot. C-O-T. Cot. C-O-T. Cot. Second one, pot. P-O-T. Pot. Second one, pot. P-O-T. Pot. The next word, hot. H-O-T. Hot. H-O-T. Hot. The last word, dot. D-O-T. Dot. D-O-T. Dot. Okay. These words are ending with OT words. These words are ending with OT words. Then second one, ending with OX words. Ending with OX words. Okay. The first one is fox. F-O-X. Fox. Second one, box. B-O-X. Box. These words are ending with O-X. Okay. Do you understand? Then all of you write and practice these words. Write and practice these words. Okay. First one is ending with OT words. The first word, cot. First word, cot. C-O-T. Cot. C-O-T. Cot. Second one, pot. The second word, pot. P-O-T. Pot. Second one, pot. The next word, hot. H-O-T. Hot. H-O-T. Hot. The last one, dot. D-O-T. Dot. Okay. Dot. These words are ending with OT words. These words are ending with OT words. First one is cot. C-O-T. Second one, pot. P-O-T. Third one, hot. H-O-T. Hot. The last one, dot. D-O-T. Okay. Then next words, ending with OX words. Ending with OX words. First one is fox. The first word fox. F-O-X. Fox. The first word fox. Second one box. B-O-X. Box. The first word fox. Second one box. These words are ending with OX. These words are ending with OX. Okay. Do you understand? Okay, students. I will repeat once again. First one is ending with OT words. First one is ending with OT words. The first word coat. Second one pot. Third one hot. Fourth one dot. The next one ending with OX words. First one is fox. Second one box. Okay. Then I will introduce the story connected to the O sound. Let us listen to the story. Bob and his dog. Bob and his dog. Okay. Bob has a dog. His name is Tom. Bob has a dog. His name is Tom. His name is Tom. Okay. Tom likes to hog. Tom likes to hog. Okay. Then Bob takes Tom for a jog. Bob takes Tom for a jog. Okay. Then Bob and Tom go to a shop. Bob and Tom go to a shop. Okay. In the shop, Bob and Tom see a frog. In the shop, Bob and Tom see a frog. The frog can hop. The frog can hop. Okay. Finally, the frog has many dots. The frog has many dots. He sits on the cot. He sits on the cot. Okay. Do you like this story? Okay. Then all of you read this story with the help of your parents. Okay. See you on next class. Bye bye.